I've been getting a lot of messages whereby people have been asking me to come up with another app to make money online. These are the messages that people were used to, or maybe they have been texting me saying next app, next app, next app. So on today's video, I came with the next app. Is one of the popular social media app that you really know, which is Facebook. Inside the Facebook, there's a category called Marketplace. I'm pretty sure that you guys have or maybe are familiar with Marketplace. So on Marketplace, basically what's happening is whereby you buy and sell. If there's something that you need to sell, you go to the Marketplace and list it on the Marketplace to sell it. If you want to buy, you go to the Marketplace and search everything on the Marketplace and choose whatever that you want to buy. It's everything inside the Marketplace. We have cars, we have car rentals, we have magazines. Like, you can sell everything and also you can buy everything based on whatever preference that you need. So on today's video, I'm going to give you so many tips that can make you maybe at least 3,000 to 5,000 per month if you are really working hard. But if you are lazy, please make sure that you get far away from this video, because you are not really going to make money. This method or this thing that I'm going to show you or maybe tell you is the one that needs people who are really working hard, who are really determined to make money online. It's going to take a lot of effort. Somewhere you need to go and meet other people to negotiate the prices and make money or make profits based on whatever you are selling or maybe you are buying. So I'm going to show you whether you have money, whether you don't have money. I'm going to show you. There are people who have money that I'm going to show them. If you have money, you can make this amount of money more than you have. And also for those who doesn't have money at all, you can be able to make money on Marketplace. So there are methods that I'm going to show you, which whereby you will be able to take whatever they are selling right over there on the Marketplace, take it as it is. Maybe they are selling a car that's worth maybe 33,000 rand. You take that car, those kind of pictures, you make those copies, and then you put your own cell number. You don't put that person's cell number, you put your own cell number, and then list it whatever you want to list it beside Marketplace, because on Marketplace it's already there. But whenever you list it, you maybe say it's 35,000 rand, right? If someone calls you, then say we need you. You meet with that person and then you call the person on the Marketplace that you have a buyer. And then when they meet, this person knows that they are selling it with 35,000 rand. So meaning that you are going to make a profit of 3,000 rand. You can make a lot of money on Marketplace. And the other method is whereby you can go to this Chinese shop. These Chinese shops have lowest prices in South Africa. I'm based in South Africa, and I'm pretty sure maybe in Nigeria, maybe in the UK, maybe in Zimbabwe, there are these Chinese or maybe some stores whereby they sell things at the lowest price. Maybe there are airpods, maybe there are cell phones, maybe there are any gadgets, maybe there are anything that is at the lowest and affordable. You can be able to go to the store, check anything that is very profitable. I once made money with this generator that whereby when the lights goes off in South Africa, there's something that we call a load shedding. So when the lights goes off, then you put it on. I can't remember the name of it. I will put right over here the picture of it. So I've seen it that it was about, I think, 300 rand at the Chinese stores. Then I listed on Marketplace. I said it's 500. So I got 3 buyers in just 2 days. So meaning that I've made about 600 rand, because my profit was 200 rand in just 2 days, guys. So you can be able to make a lot of money. So now I'm just going to make sure that I'm showing you a practical example on my laptop. I want us to stay up until the end of this video, because I'm going to give you a massive tip on how to exactly approach this Marketplace and make a lot of money out of it. All right, guys, we are now on Facebook. So when you check on your left hand side, we have friends, we have feed, we have groups, we have Marketplace, which is one of the things that we are going to be able to outline on this video. So we click on Marketplace. this is what you're going to see. Today's pics. These are the cars and houses that have been posted today. As you guys can see, they say today. So I'm currently in Bloemfontein. As you guys can see, it says Bloemfontein. So whenever maybe you are in Cape Town, maybe you are in Durban, maybe you are in Joburg, so your location is going to be based on the particular location that you are in. So I'm in Bloemfontein, that's why it says in Bloemfontein, mainly because you need to meet these people in person. So you can even change the location and say maybe Joburg. It will show things that are listed below Joburg. So I'm in Bloemfontein, I'm mainly focusing Bloemfontein. You can still be able to make money out of your city, maybe to Durban. If I say Durban, then it will appear things that are listed alongside Durban location, and then I will choose whatever. So the problem is whereby you need to meet people, but then if maybe you are going to that location, you can be able to meet that person, or maybe you know someone on that location who will stand on your behalf. So if you guys can see right over here, these are the listings. So we have a car that's 1987, or yeah, 1987 Sweden, 6,000 rand. They're selling it 6,000 rand. And also we have this one, you see, which is 33,000 rand. It's 2023 GTI Golf. So what you have to do, let's say maybe it's like I said, it's 33,000 rand. You need to take the very same pictures, remove the cell number, use your own cell number, and then post it out of all your social medias. Promote it in a way whereby you will say it's 35,000 rand. So whenever someone says, hey, I need to see this car, so you call that person and say, hey, I have a buyer for you, but then I said it's 35,000 rand and he is up for it. So meaning your profit is going to be how much? It's going to be 3,000 rand. So that's how you make money out of marketplace. And also this is a room for rent alongside Bloemfontein in Free State. So it says a room, that room it costs 650 per month. So I'm going to show you exactly how, or tell you how to make money. So you can make money once off based on rental, or you can make money consistently per month. So let's firstly focus on how to make money once off. Let's say this home cost 650, right? You post it out there, put in your own details, whereby when someone says, okay, I need this home, it's 650, I want to view it and all those stuffs. You list it, maybe you say first month you are going to pay 1,000 for the first month only, and then continuously, so you're just going to pay 650, right? And then when that person say, okay, I'm fine with it, you call the person who actually ran that place and say, hey, I have someone for you, right? But this person, I said that for the first month is going to pay 1,000. So meaning I have my own profit of 350. I mean of 450. No, of 350. Correct me guys, maths doesn't add along. So I think it's 350. Yeah, 350. So you have a profit of 350 for only that month. But then if you wanna make money continuously, you can maybe say, okay, this thing is renting out for 750, right? For 750, if someone says, okay, I will be able to go to that place and then rent it out. So you go to the person who actually owns the property, tell them, hey, I have someone for you, but this person is willing to pay 750. So meaning that I have 100 rand every month coming from you. This is the agreement. Just know you have to have a proof. If maybe somewhere somehow this person denies to pay you for the work that you have done, remember you made sure that you occupy her or his place so that they can earn money. So you must maybe have something whereby he's going to sign, or maybe the conversation whereby, maybe the recording whereby you guys are agreeing on this thing, whereby if maybe it happens that they are not going to be able to pay you, you just have to go to the police so that you can sort out that mess. And also let's go down. If you guys can check, we have a TV that sells around 1,200. You can take it, promote it, whatever, on your WhatsApp, on your TikTok, on your Instagram. Maybe you can even take pictures and then post it at the streets and also, and you say it is called how much? 1,500. So whenever someone, you still repeating the very same thing. Whenever someone comes to you, you say, hey, this thing is 1,500. If they say, yes, I'm okay to pay it, and then you go to the person who actually owns that product or owns that TV, you tell them, hey, this person is willing to pay 1,500. So meaning I have to get 300 from you. You do the very same thing when it comes to fridge. You do the very same thing when it comes to bed, like everything. If you guys can check, we have pool, we have, when it comes to cars, guys, you can be able to make a lot of money, because if this car is listed as 30,000 rand, you can say 35,000 rand, and then most of the time people will wanna negotiate. So when they negotiate, you can put it away and say it's 32,000 rand. They will say, okay, it's fine for 32,000 rand, meaning that your profit will be how much? Will be 2,000 rand. And also same applies to this 7,000 rand. You can say is 7,000, 8,000. I can say 500 is too little for this bike. Bikes, you need to make a lot of money. It's not something small. So you can say 8,000 rand, meaning that you have a profit of 1,000 rand. But you need to be able to put in the words. That's one thing I need to echo when it comes to this side hustle. So when you go back, we have an iPad, we have cars, 3,500. Some of the things like this one, it says for free. I don't believe it. I haven't even texted those people who are saying things are for free, because marketplaces whereby you, if someone maybe have experienced something like that whereby they said it's free, contact that person and then they get it for free, please comment down below, because like really, I don't really believe it. I go for the things that are reasonable. So if you go back, cars, rental, guys, there's a lot. There's a lot that can. And another strategy that I'm going to show you right now. And then when you go on, or let me scroll a little bit, maybe I might find something that can, there's a property. I don't see anything. I did rentals, I did explain the buying and whatsoever. Yeah. So when you check on the left hand side, we have a browser all. This is whereby we're browsing on everything that we find on the marketplace. We have notification. Notification is whereby you are having maybe a conversation with someone, right? So we have an inbox, same goes along. So now when we click on buying, buying is whereby you are going to buy. You are the one who are going to buy something that is listed on the marketplace. So mostly this is January. You can be able to make money out of student whereby you tell them maybe this rent is 2,200. You say it's 2,500. So you have a profit of 300 every month. But if you wanna do it once off, you can say for the first month you are going to pay 2,700, and then second month you will pay 200. So you are going to have a profit of 500 rand for that month only. So it will only depend how you guys are going to negotiate, right? And then this is the right time to make a lot of money out of student, because students are looking for accommodation. So this is buying, right? When you go to selling, when you go to selling, say create new listing. When you click on create new listing, our item for sale, create a single listing for one or more items to sell, and then vehicle for sale, sell a car, van, or other type of vehicle, and then property for sale or rent, list a house or flat for sale or rent. So this is the right time to go for the flats. Maybe you have a room, a back room somewhere, somehow, you just have to list it. Right over here, we are more focused on property. And then here we are more focused on vehicles, which is cars, vans, motorbikes, and all these stuffs. And then items, we are more focused on maybe furniture, things like fridge, stove, maybe even iPads. It's not a furniture, but it gets along this category here where it says items. So that's how you are able to make money out of Facebook. As you guys can see, you can be able to make a ton amount of money. You can be able to make 5,000 plus depending on the month. You can make 5,000 plus, even 10,000 you can be able to make if you focus on mainly something that are going to bring a lot of money, like cars. You can make a lot of money. You can be able to make even 20,000 rand. It depends on the determination that you are going to put inside the work that you want to do. So this thing is not easy. I want to emphasize that, because some people are just trying things once and then they give up, and then they tend to say, ha, these things don't work. This thing really works, but it's not something that you can be able to make a living and rely on it, but it's not something that you can say this month I'm going to receive 5,000 rand and also next month 5,000 rand. It's not have a constant amount of money, so it differ. Sometimes you can be lucky and make 20,000 rand. Sometimes you can be on a bad month whereby you are going to make 3,000 rand, sometimes 7,000 rand. This thing you can maybe treat it as if like it's a business, so you need to put in the work. You can even hire some people to do some of the work, so to go to meet other people and then you will pay them. So another thing that you can be able to do, I just thought of it right now, everything that is listed, especially something that you can have, not something that you can rent it out. You can be able, let's make an example of that GTI that I was showing you on that marketplace, which was 33,000 rand. You can actually go and buy that car. After buying that car, you come back, you sell it for 40,000, same on the marketplace, and then you are going to make around 7,000 rand. Maybe they might buy it after a month or whatsoever, but then there will be someone who will come. But if you say it's 40,000 rand and we are looking to make a profit of 7,000 rand because it was 33,000 rand, so these people like to negotiate. That's one thing you need to be aware of. If you are aiming for this amount of money, make it more, so that when they negotiate, you can be able to lower the prices, but knowing that you're still okay with the prices. So if you say you are looking to make a profit of 7,000 rand, you can say it's 40,000 rand. You can be able to make money, because when they negotiate, you can be maybe say, okay, I will sell you with that 7,000, and you can be able to make around 4,000 to 5,000 rand out of it, or maybe 3,000 rand. It's still money that you can be able to make a living. So if you want me to come up with another side hustle that you are doing, because this side hustle, I didn't know, I just knew that there's something that called marketplace. People are selling things out there, but I didn't know you can be able to make a lot of money like this by just selling something that you don't have. Buying and selling, this thing calls a buying and selling the property, anything that you see on the marketplace. So one of my friends is one person who are actually making money out of it, is the one who plugged me and say, hey bro, look at this, you can be able to make money out of it. So I'm sharing this with you because I know someone who's exactly doing it, even though that it is tiring, but he is making money. So please make sure that you subscribe and comment down below what you think about this side hustle. If you watch this video up until the end, I just want to know you, when we are at the top, that this person has been there. So you just have to comment down below next hustle. I will know you are at day one.